Hi children, we have an interesting experiment on the cohesive nature of water. Water is a liquid that's cohesive. What is cohesiveness? Molecules attach to themselves. Water attracts itself. When it rains, if you look at the water that comes down a roof, you see them coming down in jets. Or when you drink water, pour it into your mouth, the water goes into your mouth in a jet. It doesn't spread out, it comes together. Going together, staying together is what you call as cohesive nature. Water sticks to itself. Water sticks to itself. Water is cohesive. Let's see what the experiment is. We have taken a bottle here. I fill this bottle with water. Let me fill it completely. Yeah, bottle is filled with water. Now tie the mouth with gauze cloth. I made it wet already. It's wet. That means I have soaked it in water. Here's medical gauze cloth. See, this we use for bandaging. When you have a wound and you have to tie a bandage, you should not make it airtight. There should be aeration. If aeration is there, the wound will get healed very soon. So this is gauze cloth. It has lots of pores in it. You can see through. I soaked this piece. I just doubled it up and soaked it. Now this I will tie to the mouth of the bottle. We have rubber band. We'll put a rubber band. Yeah. Now let me turn it upside down and you watch it. A spoonful of water got spilled, no doubt, because I was turning it. Forces acted in different ways. Now I am holding it upside down. See, you don't see any water coming out. The bottle is full of water. Water is not coming out. What's the reason? The water molecules are all holding together just inside the gauze cloth. They don't allow each other to separate out. There are millions of water molecules. They are all holding each other. A little bit of assistance is being given by our gauze cloth. That's more than enough. Water doesn't spill. It's a wonder. How is that when it has such a wide mouth? This is a cloth, porous cloth. How can it prevent water from coming down? The reason is the cohesive nature of water. Water molecules stick to each other. Water sticks to itself. ನೀರಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಅಂಟಿಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ನೀರಿನ ಕಣಗಳು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿ ಅದರ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗೌಸ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಗೌಸ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ, ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹನಿ ನೀರು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸುರಿಯುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. A beautiful experiment. Do it at home. Try it at home. Learn what cohesion is. All the molecules sticking onto each other, we call it as cohesion. Thank you.